Hello, my name is Hanya. I'm in class here 3E, and today I'm doing my STEM competition project. So it's called Magic Milk. So what I need is a plate with some milk, some food coloring, some dishwashing soap or any kind, and some Q-tips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour a drop of this food coloring into the milk, and then I'm going to get a Q-tip and dip both sides of it into the soap, and then I'm going to dip this Q-tip into the milk, and we're going to see what happens. So first I have to pour the food coloring. And now I have to do the soap. Okay, wait. Now I will take this piece of paper and dip it into this plate, and then I'm going to lift it up. It creates this kind of design. I need tissue. So now we're going to find out what's the science behind this. So milk is very fatty, so it has fat molecules, and soap has soap molecules. A soap molecule has two ends, like this Q-tip. It has two ends. The first end is hydrophilic, which hydro means water and philic means love, so it's attracted to water. And the other side is hydrophobic. Hydro means water, while phobic means fear, so it's attracted to the dirt. So is hydrophobic is attracted to fat molecules or dirt or oil or anything like that. But so when we pour the soap, then the hydrophobic end of the soap molecule, it wants to bond with the milk, molecules. But the food coloring is in the way, so it races to the milk and it pushes the food coloring out of the way. So the food coloring makes an explosion type, and that's how. And then we just dip the paper and it makes this kind of design. So for an example, if there are two people standing and one of them is feeding birds, so then birds will surround him, but his friend is on the other side. So he would want to rush to his friend, but the birds are in the way. So he pushes the birds out of the way, and then he can go to his friend. So it's just like that the soap molecule, the hydrophobic, is the man feeding birds, and the food coloring is the birds. And then the fat molecules is his friend. So the the hydrophobic pushes away the food coloring, and then it makes the explosion. Now we're going to find out how soap cleans some kind of dirt or stain. So pretend this is our plate and it has oil on it. So we can't just put water because oil and water don't mix. So we put a little water, then we add soap. So pretend that I added soap, and then this is the soap molecule. This is the hydrophilic part, so it will be attracted to the water over here. But the hydrophobic part will be attracted to the oil over here. So then I'm gonna add more water, and then all the molecules in the oil will go away into the drain.